Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry, this is like my super sleepy face. Not sleepy face, like early morning face. Yeah, so in today's video, I will be sharing the mantras that I recite before Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, which helps me in more preparation. Like, although Shambhavi is enough in itself, like the whole process, but again, like Sadhguru has also mentioned that one should, imbibe these mantras in everyday life. So, okay. So the first thing I do is recite Aum Namah Shivaya 11 times. Now, if I have more time, like if I've woken up even earlier, then I can increase. But like 11 is minimum, and just how Sadhguru does it. Aum Namah Shivaya. Aum Namah Shivaya. So these we do 11 times. After that we chant Brahmananda Swarupa thrice. So I don't think so I have to do the whole mantra, but Aum Namah Shivaya 11 times, Brahmananda Swarupa thrice. After that I do A, U, 7 times each. So first we complete the cycle of 7 times of A, then U, then M. I'll give you an example. A, U, So these 7. After that we begin with Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, and the mantra for that is Asatoma. So then I recite Asatoma and begin with Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. This has really helped me. Like, this has definitely intensified my practice, and I felt like I should share it with you guys as well. And let me know what your routine is, if you do any other mantra before Shambhavi or after Shambhavi, or if you have any questions or anything to share, then do comment below. And thanks a lot for watching. Namaskar. Also, this is morning face, and it's